Oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about my Stanley because I just got it today. People been pissing me the fuck off all fucking day. And when I say all day, I really do mean that shit. Like, genuinely, people been making me mad all day. But my YouTube anniversary is on October 31st, Halloween. And I decided to get myself some presents. Y'all will see those in unboxings. So yeah. My first gift to myself was my Stanley. So, what kind of Stanley is this? This is the fuck. Hold on. Let me see. Cause I threw the box. Yeah, I threw the box away. All right, hold on. Let me see. Cause I don't want to tell y'all nothing wrong. Okay, so this is the Ice Flow Flip Straw Jug. Okay, this is the Ice Flow Flip Straw Jug. All right, the ones with the handle just wasn't really my speed. I didn't really like the handle situation. I didn't really like that. And then too, I seen on the TikTok reviews, when you tilt it like that, water splashes out. I was like, I'm not paying for... I'm not paying $45 for a cup and it's just gonna splash me. The fuck? Absolutely the fuck not. So, that shit was really finna send me on edge. That shit was really finna send me on edge. I was like, bro, I do not need to... I don't want to hear no more bullshit today. I don't want to hear no more bullshit today. I'm tired of dealing with people. Anyway, that just irks me. Like, you know how you done dealt with so much shit and you get home and it's like, okay, still dealing with bullshit. All right, now everybody left and I still gotta deal with bullshit ass people outside. It's like, bruh, I'm just trying to film a video. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this one actually fits inside the cup holder and it has a handle up top. I really appreciate that, especially for when I go hiking. When I go hiking, I don't want to hold the handle. You know what I'm saying? So when I go hiking, I can hold it like this. I can put it on my arm like that. And I can put it in my book bag. And yeah, it doesn't spill. So watch this. Watch this. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting to show y'all. Spillware. Now, of course, if it's open, it's gonna spill out. Like, yeah, okay, obviously, right? But for the most part, you're good. I love that. We love that over here. We love that. So yes, this was my purchase. I got this from Target. $35. I was not paying $45 for that big ass Stanley. And it doesn't even hold the water. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, we're not doing that. And I don't think that's practical. But y'all do what y'all want. If y'all want that Stanley, that's fine. Y'all get that Stanley. But I wanted this one. I really wasn't even going to get a Stanley, but I needed a new water bottle. So the one that I was going to get was from TJ Maxx. It was $35. And I was like, you know what? Let me just do a little bit more shopping. Because if I'm paying $35, I might as well just get the Stanley. So I didn't see any other water bottles that I really wanted or gravitated towards. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get this Stanley, because the one that I was going to get originally was $35 anyway. And like I said, I like that it has the handle. It's really, really cute. I like the pink. I like the soft pink. And the cream top, really nice. And yeah, it's so cute. I really like it. Water is still cold. Water is still cold. Ooh, I got lipstick on. I hope that comes off. So when you first get your water bottle, obviously you want to make sure you wash it. Okay, this is dishwasher safe, or it's supposed to be. I don't use dishwashers. I just don't feel clean. I have to hand wash my shit. I think somebody's cutting the grass. But yeah, I have to hand wash my stuff because I just don't trust dishwashers. Even like in other people's houses, it's like, oh, you use a dishwasher? Okay. You know what I mean? I don't know. I just don't use dishwashers. And I didn't grow up using a dishwasher, so I just like to hand wash my shit. I like to feel the scalding hot water with the soap. I have to feel it on my hands for me to know that my dishes are clean. Like, yes, my dishwater be hot. My dishwater be hot. I remember when my brother used to wash dishes. Like when we was kids, the water would be like lukewarm to cold, and I'm just like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Absolutely the fuck not. Either hot water or nothing at all. So this, I filled this up. Let me see. Okay, so the time is 12:26. I filled this up around 10, and it's 12:26, and it's still cold. But I did put ice in there as well. But I feel like this just keeps it cold. Yeah, I really do. I feel like this just keeps it cold. Yeah, that's really cold. For it to have been 2 hours and my stuff is still cold, yeah. It's the cup. It's the cup, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, if you want to pay $35 for a Stanley, or if you would rather pay $35 for a Stanley, I definitely recommend getting this one. The other one is $45, but like I said, if it just tips a little bit, water is gonna be everywhere. I would very much so rather have a water bottle that's not gonna do that to me than pay $45 for a water bottle that is gonna do that to me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I love this handle, and I like that it's a flip straw as well. Like this comes in handy, because I just feel like, okay, if I'm paying $45 for a cup, it needs to come with everything. With that Stanley straw, you still have to buy a top cover, and it's like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, what the hell? I'm paying $45 and I still have to buy a top cover, and even with that, there's still water. I need to show y'all a picture or a video of what I'm talking about, because this girl, she literally knocked her Stanley over on accident and water splashed out. I'm like, what the fuck? Y'all paying $45 for this? That makes absolutely no sense. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all one of my anniversary presents to myself. I've been doing YouTube for 2 years, 2 years now. I don't remember, but I know I got monetized on Halloween. So yeah, and I've been taking YouTube seriously for the past 2 years. And I got monetized on Halloween, October 31st. So every year I always buy myself a present or presents for my anniversary. Even if nobody else thinks it's a big accomplishment or whatever the fuck, I do. And I'm always gonna celebrate myself. I'm always gonna celebrate my wins, because 2 years ago I wasn't even getting paid on YouTube, and I am. 2 years ago I was getting 2 views, and now I'm getting a lot more. You know what I'm saying? So I always appreciate my small wins, and that's what I really wanted to tell y'all. I always appreciate your small wins, even if nobody else thinks it's a win. Because my family, they don't give a fuck about my YouTube channel. They actually criticize the fuck out of my YouTube channel. So yeah, they're not really rooting for me when it comes to like YouTube or, you know, anything that I do, honestly. And it's kind of sad, because it's like, I guess, but you know, it's cool. They don't really see YouTube as a job, or they like to criticize my page and all that other dumbass shit. And it's like, but you still watch, you stupid ass bitch. But I guess, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes your family will definitely be your biggest haters, but in the end, I've had people support me that don't even fucking know me. Like when I don't post, people is in my DMs. Kylie, you okay? Are you good? How's your mental? Are you straight? So that's why I say, like, my YouTube channel has definitely become a family. And that's why I say I really fuck with y'all and I really rock with y'all. Like, this is why I made my YouTube channel in the first place, because my family really ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, for me to build a platform that I can call family, full of people that genuinely give a fuck about me, for real, I love that. And if I'm helping somebody along the way with your hair, or just making you laugh, or unboxings, whatever the fuck, if I'm helping you in any way, shape, or form, I love that. And that's what I'm here for. So yeah, enough of the mushy gushy shit. Make sure you tell me happy anniversary if you want to see more videos from me, or you just like my content. You can leave a beautiful comment, or you can just comment a yellow heart, because this is one of my favorite hoodies that my mama bought back. Funny enough, I do not fuck with any of my family in Michigan, but I still like the football team. I still fuck with it. So yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all my Stanley. $35. You can get these at Target. You can get these at Dick's Sporting Goods. You can get them at Costco. I seen some at Costco. Where else? Is that it? Just type in Stanley cups. But yeah, if you want this one, I would suggest getting this one. I think it's more practical, and it's also cheaper. Imagine that, it's more practical and it's also cheaper. I think you should definitely go for this version. Really cute, nice and sleek. I absolutely love it. And I've never had a tumbler before. So this is my first tumbler, and I really like it. Y'all will be seeing more unboxings from me pretty soon, because I have to go pick up an order right now, actually. So yeah, y'all will be seeing unboxings from me really soon for my YouTube anniversary. My mom got me a pumpkin. Look, did I show y'all this last time? Hold on. She's really sweet. She know I missed the fair. California is so fucking stupid. So they don't do fall fairs here. So yeah, they fair be like in the middle of the fucking heat. In the middle of a fucking heat wave, which is so fucking dumb. So stupid. But Georgia, if you live in Georgia, you know there's always, the fair is a fall thing, right? Especially if you grew up in Georgia or you went to school in Georgia. The fair is a fall thing. Everybody know that. But out here, they just do shit different, which is dumb as fuck, but I guess. So, yeah, I was a little homesick. So my mama bought me a pumpkin with a smiley face on it. After Halloween, I'm gonna throw it out because I don't know how long it's going to, I don't know when it's gonna start rotting. You know what I'm saying? It's still good, but I don't know when it's gonna start rotting. So on the 31st, actually, I'm gonna throw it away because I don't really want to smell that if it does rot. But yeah, she bought me a pumpkin. She's so thoughtful. So yeah, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Trees 98. We going up on TikTok. I have 28K on TikTok. So yeah, keep following, supporting, commenting. I go live on there a lot as well. So if you want to see like more of my personality, and you know, we be talking on there. We be talking, chatting it up. I'll be letting people come up and talk to me as well. Or, you know, like if they had a story time. It's literally like a phone time. It's literally like a phone FaceTime call on my TikTok. And I really love the people that join my TikTok because we feel like family. Like we really be talking about some real deep shit. You feel what I'm saying? And sometimes it's kicks and giggles, sometimes it's sad, but I really like my TikTok family as well. And I'll be going live on there too. So if you want to go live with me on TikTok, I think you have to have over 1K followers to go live with other people. So if you have 1K followers and you want to go live with me one day and I'm live, let me know. You can comment, you can send a request and I'll go live with you. If I feel like it, because some days I don't feel like going live with people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love that my channel has grown. I'm very grateful. A lot of people tell me all the time, Kyla, you deserve more subscribers because you're so real, you're so raw, you're so genuine. And it's like, I know, but I'm thankful. I'm always thankful for what I have. And I'm truly blessed to even be monetized on this app. Yeah, I love it. I love what I do. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Happy anniversary to my YouTube channel, and I will see y'all. Okay, no. Actually, you want to know what's funny? This is why I say October is my month, honestly, because Halloween has always been my favorite holiday. But I could never celebrate it because I grew up in a Christian household and they just wasn't fucking with that shit for real. So I never dressed up as a Halloween character or anything like that. But Halloween has always been my favorite holiday. And I started my YouTube channel October 1st. That's when I made my first YouTube video and took it serious. And then I got monetized October 31st. So that's why I say October is just always my fucking month. And I've been happy this October. Yeah. So yeah, I just feel like October is really my month for real. So my last anniversary, I bought the Kurt Geiger bag, the furry one. That was my last anniversary present. And then this year I just went a little light because that bag was like that bag was $3 something. I splurged on that bag, honestly, because I don't buy a bag over $300, and I think it was like $350 or something like that. Yeah. So yeah. All right, I'll see y'all. Bye.